In this video, I am going to show you how to convert currencies on Wise. Navigate to the home screen of your account and effortlessly select the balance you wish to convert from. Whether it's your primary currency or another, we've got you covered. With a swift click, initiate the conversion process by selecting the Convert option. It's as simple as that. Next, input the precise amount you would desire to convert from, along the currency you're eyeing to convert into. Don't worry, they streamline the process to ensure convenience, provided you've already added a balance in the desired currency. Take a moment to review your selections and ensure everything aligns with your intentions, including the fees. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and confirm the conversion with confidence. Sit back and relax as your efficient system works its magic. Conversions typically take just few seconds to process, and you'll find the updated figures reflected in on your account almost instantly. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for our channel.